So hey guys, this is part 2 because the other one ended, and so yeah, we didn't know it was gonna end, and it ends when I have like low storage or something. So we still have to. Avery still has to give Avery another. Avery still has to give Addison a slime, and Bella has to give Addison whatever, and then it's Bella's turn. So Avery, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, I thought you were going to give Avery.
There you go.
What? It's the pink one.
Okay, open your eyes.
What?
I was going to do the pink one.
They smell alike.
No, I don't. Thumbs no.
But I thought it was
Okay, Bella.
That-
Now you
that
have to
one?
give Addison.
because there was a piece of bear.
Okay, Bella, close your eyes. Give Addison your
Wait.
slime.
Wait, well, I said wait. Sometimes I like to open up
Close
my
your
eyes
eyes.
and blink. I'm trying to blink.
Bella, what slime?
I'll have to open up back here.
There you go. So
Where's
good.
it?
Hold on.
Oh, that smells bad.
It doesn't really smell.
Did you just add more to it? No.
No.
Okay, I'll open my eyes because it smells terrible.
We did half of it and then I added more.
Yeah, I got your hand.
Okay, so now it's Bella, it's your turn.
That smells terrible.
Oh my gosh, I have the perfect one.
I
So
thought
come
it
here,
was that
Bella.
one.
Addison, close your eyes.
Bella, come over,
My turn?
come sit in that chair, okay?
No, it's not
So you
Bella's
can,
turn.
yes it is Bella's turn.
It's your turn.
No,
No.
Bella hasn't gone.
Because you opened up your eyes. You can't open up your eyes, Addison.
No, it's because
Oh yeah, it's
that's
my
so
turn, I
bad.
forgot, it's my turn.
Because I opened up my
Okay,
eyes
guys.
because it's
Since you looked at mine, I get to restart.
it stunk.
So,
I thought it was that one.
Close your
okay,
eyes.
I want to
See?
pick Cameron's first.
Okay, I'll close my eyes. Come on.
It's looks like a sleeping unicorn. Like a sleeping princess.
Who?
You!
What?
Like Sleeping Beauty.
Cameron, you can't peek.
I know, I swear. What?
It smells good.
It smells like paint. It's a Conwood apple one, isn't it?
Yeah. It smells good. It
It smells like paint.
smells
I want to go
good.
next. I'm going
It
next.
smells good.
I
Okay.
Wait.
I already know someone I love this picture. It's the ultimate brownie batter.
You better do that.
The brown one, this one. I love the texture, but don't rip it. Okay, Bella, give me your slime. Oh, I know. This is the
Wait, I messed up. I thought you me.
So
I messed
Okay.
up. I messed
Okay.
up. I get a wait ton.
you only get one.
Why is the cat eating dog food?
Give me it.
Because she likes it.
This is Buffy slime.
Give me it.
Your hands are blue.
Who?
Yours.
No, they're not. Yeah.
This is so fluffy.
Bella, give me it. Hurry.
Ava, can you help me?
Oh my gosh, Bella. Bella, no, stop. Bella, stop. Bella, just don't
Add
touch
borax.
it. Don't.
Don't add borax into the slimes.
You need to do it to mine.
Ooh, I love this one. It's the purple and teal sparkle.
Yes.
Oh, he's getting all these cracks.
Because she knows her slime.
Bella, stop. You're gonna get it everywhere. Here, come stand over here.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
that
very,
feels so
very
good.
sticky.
I'm gonna
It
clear
tastes
it
like
out.
waffles.
And my legs are like.
It's not sticky at all, actually.
To me it is.
To you.
My legs are like.
Then go sit down. Okay, so Avery, now it's your turn. I get to pick first, so close your eyes.
But Cameron. Cameron.
There you go.
Like, it's a flow.
Cameron.
Okay.
Cameron.
I'm gonna guess the one that was like I called Earth Plum.
Okay.
Oh,
It's unicorn cereal.
hey.
Okay, so Addison, close your eyes. Addison, read the first one. Wait.
Let's see. Wait.
Uh-uh. Hold on a second.
Who was that?
Cameron.
Where is it?
Hold on.
Yeah, it's right here. Not.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
The slime is so fluffy.
It's either the purple or the pink one.
There's a purple one and a pink one.
I'm gonna guess the purple one.
Alright, we split it because this one is smaller.
This one's the one that fell.
Yeah, she dropped the
So I'm
cheese.
gonna
And
give you half of it like this.
I was waiting to know if she's gonna guess it. Okay, Bella, give her a slime.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
Okay, close your eyes.
If someone gave me this, I probably would have.
At least my shirt is white.
Hold on. One second. We're doing something.
You can't mix them.
We're not. That's what I asked her because she wanted to mix one of yours. I was like, no. Hold on.
Doing it. Purple one.
Here you go.
Cameron.
It's in the tower one. The paint. Ish.
Color. Hurry up.
I'm gonna guess for the one that's not the dark blue, but it's like not the light blue.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's how it's talking about.
This is great.
Did you know if you play with sticky
My turn.
slime so much, it won't.
No, it's
Won't
Bella's
be
turn. It's
sticky.
the last.
Yeah, Bella's turn.
Darn it.
Okay, Bella, close your eyes.
Her sign all of them.
I go first. I go first.
I know. I'm
No, wrong container.
So where's that container at?
Where's the container? Did you give me that container? Right there. No, yeah, I was talking about you, but okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick your slime.
I know. Wait.
I'm not looking.
No.
The white. The white.
What?
You can't put them up on.
Yes, you can because we did it to everybody else. So this was him.
Pick one for me and put that back. I'm going to the restroom. If I'm not back in time, skip me. But then I'm going to go.
The purple one.
Which one?
like it's. I don't. It's like
So
the
it's